Hello everyone and welcome to our 6th week of online learning. This is your math workbook for the whole week. Just as always, you will complete all of your work in this workbook and submit it at the end of the week for your assignment. Now this week is a little bit different, so please follow along with this video. For Monday, you're going to do something a little different today. You are going to do some progress monitoring and then watch a quick introduction video to prepare yourself for the rest of the lessons for the week. On Tuesday, you're going to review the vocabulary terms and watch the videos on slides 6 and 7. You'll watch the lesson video and then complete the practice problems on slide 8 and 9 and watch the review video on slide 10 of those practice problems. On Wednesday, watch the lesson video on slide 11, complete your practice problems, and then again, watch the video if you need help understanding what exactly you should have done for these practice problems. For Thursday, it's your last practice problems on slide 15 and 16. When you finish with that, you can also watch the video of me doing those problems for you, and then go on iReady for 15 minutes. Friday, you're going to complete your graded check-in on a Google form like you always do. You can use the video on slide 19 if you'd like me to read the story or the problems to you. Go on iReady when you're finished and make sure you turn in your workbook at the end of the week. This is the resource slide. All of these links here are to help you with anything box and whisker that you may have trouble with. So you may use any of those as optional resources. You don't need this slide. If you feel that you understand it, you can go ahead and skip this one. Here is the video where I explain how you're going to do progress monitoring for this week. So if you remember, progress monitoring is for us to see where you're at, how much progress you made. It does not go on your report card, but it is something that you should make sure that you do your absolute best on and complete without a calculator. So make sure you follow the instructions here, watch the video, and the link is here. You will have a math group listed here for each of your individual slides. After you finish the progress monitoring, go ahead and watch this quick little video to introduce you to box and whisker for the week. If you don't get time to get to this today, make sure that's the first thing that you do on Tuesday. Then you can go ahead and look at the vocabulary words. I also go over the vocabulary words here in this video. Then there is a lesson video for Tuesday. This video is just the practice problems that you would have completed yesterday if you didn't have progress monitoring. So if you'd like to watch those, you can, but you don't need to. Then you're going to complete the practice problem. It is one problem for 2 different slides. Make sure that when you are doing this problem, you have to scroll all the way over in order to figure out and move these dots where they need to be. Once you're finished with that, if you need to, you can watch this video and I go over the 2 problems for Tuesday with you. There's another lesson video on specifically the interquartile range from Ms. Vaughn. Make sure you watch this today. And then you have another practice problem to do here and here. If you finish those practice problems and you're really stuck and you need help, or you just want to make sure that you got those problems right, you can watch this video where I will do the problems for you. On Thursday, you have 2 slides for independent practice. And again, the video for me to help you if you need. If you don't, then awesome, but always make sure that you check and make sure you have the same answers that I did. And here's your slide directing you to make sure you do 15 minutes on iReady. This should be about 1 complete lesson or maybe half a lesson. On Friday, you're going to take your quiz by clicking on the dumpling and going to the Google form. You can either watch the video here for me to read the quiz to you, or as always, I also have a video here for you to watch as you're going through the problems. And then finally, make sure you complete 15 minutes on iReady and turn this in at the end of the week when you are finished. Good luck, and I hope you guys have an awesome week. If you need help with anything, make sure that you reach out.